This is a quick introduction to the Zenkraft solution. The Zencraft product is installed as an app via the App Exchange. For those of you that are newer to Salesforce, an app is a collection of objects, fields, and code that provide new functionality in your Salesforce environment. Zencraft adds new shipping-related objects such as shipment and packages that will function alongside the already existing Salesforce objects, such as lead, contact, and account. The shipment object has fields such as tracking number and shipment cost. There is also a preference object that stores your carrier shipping accounts. You will need a valid shipping account with a carrier before getting started. Your logistics department might hold this information, so it could be worth contacting them first. Now we are going to guide you through the process of setting up the app. To install the app, you can go directly to our listing on the App Exchange. Once the app is installed, you will receive an email notifying you the install was successful. This can take up to 10 minutes. Once installed, go to the App Selector and choose Zenkraft Multi-Carrier. There is a Preferences tab where you can click New. We're going to add our FedEx account number. You can also use demo mode for other carriers where they provide test environments, so you won't be charged for shipments as you deploy the solution. You will need a new preference record for each new carrier account, even if the accounts are with the same carrier. Once you have your preference set up, you need to map your existing data into the Zenkraft shipment object using custom address source. Some common Salesforce objects that customers map to include a case for managing returns, an order for order fulfillment, an opportunity for sample shipping. Let's say we're an e-commerce business and need to ship some orders. You can create the lookup by going into Setup, Objects, Zenkraft Shipment, New, Lookup Relationship, select the order object, add a field label, click Next, then Save. Once we've completed that step, a related list will be added to the order page layout. Going forward, any shipment created against this order will appear in this list. If I click New, you will see I'm taken into the Shipment Wizard where I can complete the required information to book the shipment. This is very manual, and the goal of Zencraft is to automate processes, so we can use the custom address source functionality mentioned earlier to automatically set all of the fields required to book this shipment. For example, I can set the recipient information to be the related account. I can set the service type to be FedEx Ground for every shipment if I want to. I can also pull weight and dimension information from the related order line objects. This means that when I go back to the wizard, you'll see all this information automatically populated to create the shipment. Once the shipment is created, it contains the tracking number, cost information, and associated shipping label. Zencraft has direct printer and scale integration, so you can print to your laser or thermal printer directly from Salesforce. Once in transit, Zencraft automatically tracks each shipment, so you can always see the latest status in Salesforce. You can build powerful workflows on these updates. For example, you can easily send delivery notifications when an item is shipped, delayed, or delivered. Zencraft also includes dashboards where you can see shipments in transit, shipment spend by account or user, and virtually any other report that's possible on the Salesforce platform. Hopefully this was a good primer to get you started on using the Zenkraft solution. If you have any questions, please contact us and we'll be happy to help.